Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the sixth day of our video editing and animating course. I'm Alfred, the CEO of Alfred Media and Tech. So this course is specific. This particular video is only for those using Android, not for those using iOS. Those using iOS, I dropped the link already for you. Make sure you implement that also and send your assignments. So I have explained everything you need to know concerning this whiteboard animation. So what we'll be using for this whiteboard animation class, the app we'll be using is Benime. That is Benime. So Benime. So this is it. Yes, I have the. I think I have the app. Yeah, this is it. This is it. No, sorry. This is it. So that is the app we are using. So you just go to your Play Store. Search for Benime. So once you search for it, this is it. So you install it. The reason why it's showing open for me is because I've already installed mine. So you just install yours and then you open the app with me. So let's go back. So you open the app with me. So I'll tap on it. Alright, so this is the interface for, as you're seeing it here, this is the interface for Benime. So what we do is you click on this. The reason why mine is showing this is because I've used it. Sorry. It said allow anime access photos and videos on device. Allow limited access. I'll have allowed all. Okay. Allow all, please. So the reason why you are seeing this, like we said, the reason why you are seeing this is because I've used Benime before. So to do a whiteboard animation. So what we are going to do is to use this app. Tap on this place, this plus sign. You tap on it, and then you name the project. For example, let's just say project 2. Now there are some apps you are using that if there is a space between two characters, it won't accept it. For example, let's say create project. I create. Can you see? Project name should not contain spaces. Can you see? Project name should not contain spaces. It won't create. So what you do is you make sure there are no space between the project and the two. So I will remove the space. So now the next thing here, you can see format. You can see format canvas size. Format canvas size. Now this format canvas size is simply the handle or the social media platform you desire to post this. So when I was teaching you in InShot or in CapCut, I told you about aspect ratio, that is video ratio, that your video where you want to post your app, sorry, where you want to post your animation determines your aspect ratio. So if I want to post this on YouTube, what I will do is I will leave. If I want to post this on YouTube, it's already on YouTube size. Wait a minute, the canvas size is already on YouTube. That is 10.80p. But if I want to change it, maybe I want to post this on TikTok, what I will do is I will tap on this place, choose canvas size. So I will tap on it. Can you see we have YouTube? Maybe you want the size to be you want to limit the size to 720 pixels. You can use it. Maybe you want to make it YouTube Shorts. You can also, for YouTube Shorts, for 180, that is 1080 pixels. That is it also. Maybe for Instagram and the rest. So but for this video I want it to be on YouTube 10.80 pixels. So let's create project. Please create project, not create with AI. So now this is what you are going to see. And now looking at this, we have a watermark here, Benemy watermark. Please do well to watch this video to the end, because there are some things I will be saying. Most of you have a way of watching half and then submitting, then you miss some vital aspects. Do well to watch this video to the end, because there are certain things I will be saying that you really need to note. So this is the interface, and what we are having here is element, text, AI image, music, background, and hand. So the first thing we'll be using here is elements. Now look at this place. This is the first. This is our whiteboard. That's why it's called whiteboard animation. This is our whiteboard. So at the end of the class, I will just be teaching you how to remove this watermark. So since this is our whiteboard, the first thing we'll do is let's check out this element. This element. So when we tap on elements, what you're going to find here is add image or GIF, add SVG, and add animation. If I want to add an image, but we won't be needing that. If I want to add an image, maybe I tap on it. Which should I use? Which should I use? Let's say what should I use? Okay, let me just use this picture. I then tap on OK. Automatically my picture appears there. So the more so you just increase it to fit. You just increase it to fit. So can you see? You just increase it to fit. But this is not what I'll be using. You just increase it to fit. So I'll just remove it. So we are talking about elements. This add image or add GIF is still the same thing. So add SVG, and we won't be needing all this. Maybe you want to add a casual mail, you can just tap on. Maybe you want to add a mail, or add, because there are more share. If you want to add a male, add a female, add the male occupation, and so maybe I want to add a casual mail. I tap on casual mail. Just imagine I will just tap on this. All those things you usually used to wash. Look, this is it. Can you see? Maybe I want to preview this. I will just tap on. Now let me just show you something. Let's preview this. If you want to preview this, what you would do is tap on this scene, tap on this place, this one here, and then this will show. All this will show. You will see play page, add page, and the rest. So tap on play page. Can you see? Can you see that? So but we won't be doing this for the practical. So you can just come. So I will just be deleting this. So you can just come to this element and explore. You can see casual mail, you can see corporate mail, you can just come here and explore. So you have actually upgraded the apps, because these were I think these were not there, because they have actually upgraded the app. Look at there are a lot of things to do. A lot. Look at this. There are a lot of things to explore. So all you just do is you just come here and explore. So this is not what we'll be using today. So we'll come to text. Tap on text. Let's say, what should I type? Okay, let's say I am Alfred, CEO of Alfred Media and Tech. Then I'll tap on insert. Can you see this? Now this is used to increase or decrease the text. These arrows you are seeing here is used to increase and decrease the text. Why the 60 you are seeing here is my is my font size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase my font by tapping this arrow. If I want to decrease it, I'll tap this, but I want to increase. Can you see? Can you see? This is in 100. So if maybe I want it to be longer, I want this box to be longer, what I will do is I will tap on this place and drag and drag. Can you see? I think it's too long. I'll just tap on. I'll just stop here and then reduce my font size. I just want everything to be in one page, one line. So can you see this? So now maybe my text is one side, and then I want it to be in the middle. I want to centralize it. These lines you are seeing here, these are called, this is the alignment place. So what you do here is we have three alignments here. We have left alignment, the right alignment, and the centralize. This one you are seeing here, the first one you are seeing here, is the left alignment. The middle one is the centralize, and the last one here is the right alignment. So I want to centralize this. I'll tap the middle. Can you see? So I'll just tap the middle. Can you see? So this is it. So the next thing here is, we're not done with that. The next thing here is we have select color. Now this select color here is the color of my text. Yeah, this is simply the color of my text. So when I tap on select color, let's say I want my text to be, which color should I use? I will use this. Can you see the color? The color have changed automatically. Then let's just say we have copy, duplicate, and the rest, bring forth and back, and the rest. So you can just play with that. So let's say if I want to preview this, I will tap on this scene here, because this is our first scene. That's why it's numbered 1. I'll tap on it, and then I'll tap on play page. Can you see? So let's imagine that I want to add music. When I tap on music, you have record. Maybe you know how to sing and you want to sing, then you can decide to add. Maybe I don't want to record, I can't sing. Then we have music here. Then maybe I want to add a music. I will just tap on music to take me to my files. I'll just select any music of my choice. Can you see? I'll just select any music of my choice. Let's just say I want to use this Lead Me Back. I'll tap on it and then play. This is the place to preview. This place. I'll tap on it. Can you see? So that's that for that. So I'll just delete this. So that's that for music. So I'll just go back. Some of you are wondering how you go back. How you just go back is by just tapping the text on your screen. So the next thing here that I want us to do is, let's check background. Maybe I want to change this white background to a different color. Let's say I'll tap on background. That is BG. This is it. Sorry. I'll tap on BG. This is it. Tap on BG. You can choose to add an image to the background, or maybe a different thing. Let's say I want my background to be a color. Let me start with color. Which color should I use? Maybe I tap on green. I do select. Can you see? It has changed. Then let's say I want my background to be Let me select image. I want to select image. Maybe I should use, what should I use? What should I use? Maybe I should use my logo. Maybe I should use my logo. Or I should use this. Maybe I should use this. I just click, I'll just tap on OK. Can you see automatically it appears there, it fits on its own. So, but if you are adding an image using elements, it will not fit. Adding an image is just like adding something to the scene. For example, let's say I want to add an image. I want to add my logo. I will just tap on my logo. Can you see? This one is me adding an image to the scene, maybe for demonstration. It's different from adding background. So you can see that. So I'll just delete the image. Let's go to BG. I want my background to be white, please. Okay, and also if maybe you feel there are more colors you want that are not here, what you do is you tap on custom. You can see, you can select any color of your choice. For me, I still want to use white, so tap on it so you can see. And also we have the last one here, hand. Tap on hand. If you tap on this one, if you tap on this, that is the hand that is going to write on the whiteboard. I tap on it. I've tapped on it. Then let's preview. Tap on play page. Can you see? Let's say I tap on this one. Let's preview. Can you see? Let's say I tap on pencil there and there is no hand. Can I preview? Can you see? Let's say I tap on this particular one. Once I tap on this particular one, there won't be any handwriting on the screen. The words will just write on its own. Can you see that? So you just come around here and play around, play around. Once you keep playing around, you will understand it more. You will be used to this app, and you will make some stunning whiteboard animations. So all right, so let's create a video now. I think I'm done explaining everything that has to do with Benime that we'll be using for the practical. I'm done with that. So let's do something now. I already have an already made script for my animation here, my whiteboard animation, so you can do well to have yours when creating, or you can just follow mine, but you just you just input your name wherever you see my name, and then send the assignments to me for review, and then you keep playing with the app to understand more about it. So where's my, okay, this is my notes. So I'll just copy it. And then tap on text, then I'll paste. Insert. I love this. I love the first color. I'll leave it in red, and then just increase it, and then centralize the text. Can you see the text is now centralized? If I tap here, that is left alignment of the text. Tap here, right alignment of the text. Tap the middle, it's centralized. All right, so maybe I should increase it again. Increase it. Maybe make it 80 or 85. I think 88 is cool. Centralize it. All right. So I'll be adding an image right now, or adding an image. So I'll tap on elements. So I'll tap on add image. Which image should I add right now? Which image? Which image? Okay, I think I'll use this 3D. I think I'll use this. Okay, please, one thing you should notice when doing yours, do well to remove the background of the image, of your image. You can remove the background of your image using background remover. Just go to Chrome and type bg.com. It will, or you just type background remover, then it will help you. You upload your image and then you remove the background. Okay, I think this is cool. So that's how to remove your background. Please remove your background for all. It makes your work more professional. As you can see this, you can see the watermark of all these apps here, of this picture here. So it doesn't make sense. So I'm just using this one for example. Or maybe I should, let me see something. Uh Please just hold on. Alright, so we'll continue from where we stopped. Let me upload an image. I think I'll make use of this. My app is having, I think it's from my phone or something. So I'll just be fast with this so you can understand. So I'm going to do this. So after doing this, the next thing you do, you tap on this. You tap on this to add more scenes. So I will tap on it.
Do you think you can put out the flames?
I believe I can. After all, I have to earn money for my milk powder with this job.
Do you like your job?
No, I don't. But my parents are poor.
Alright, so I've added another scene. So what I'll do, I'll just go back again and copy my next scene. So I'll copy my next scene and then add text, paste. So I changed my text color to this. I changed my text color to this, and then I think I'm going to reduce the size of the box and then increase my fonts so it can be readable. I think I will increase this a bit. Increase this a bit. No, I think this is, okay. And then I'm going to add an image. Add image. I'm going to use this. Like I said, do well to remove your background. And I best advise you use 3D pictures. Yes, I advise you use 3D pictures. At the end of the class, I'll be showing you how to get 3D pictures. I'm just using this to give an example on how to do a whiteboard animation. So I'll just add an image. Just add this. So I'm going to increase it. So this is it. So what you do is you do this for all your projects. I'm going to add another one.
If you borrow 100,000 naira for 3 months, you need to repay 100,400 naira. If you borrow 300,000 naira for 6 months, you need to repay 300,960 naira. If you borrow 500,000.
So I just have 5 scenes here, and I'm trying to be fast. So I'm going to pause the video now. The same thing I did is the same thing you are going to do. So I'm just going to pause the video now so the video won't be long. Okay, so you just do the same thing for all your scenes. You just add your script and the image. All right, I'm done with mine. I'm in the last scene right now. Now in the last scene, this is a 3D sketch board illustrator. So in this sketch board illustrator, what I will just do is I just want you to see this. I will add created by doing sets. It should be in one line. Created by, I think I should reduce it. Created by, I think I should shift. Okay, created by I'll add another text. Created by Alfred Emmanuel. Okay, I'll just created by Alfred Media and Tech. Let's see. So you could just use your name there. For you could just use your name. So as the case may be, the color, you could just choose the color of your choice. So now, lastly, how to remove this. Now, the reason why, 2 more things before we finish. Now, the reason why you need to remove this, your watermark, is because your client should not know where you get, how you do your video. Else they won't need you. They should not know how you get your stunning concepts from. They should not know, else they won't need you. So what you should do, always remove every watermark in your video. And unless you are using Pro, you can't remove this. You can't have free access to be using this app without watermark. But if you are using the free version, you have to always watch at least a 1 minute ad before you 1 minute or 30-second ad before you can remove the watermark. So let's remove the watermark. I'll just tap on the watermark. If you tap on remove permanently, what's going to happen is that they will ask you to pay. But if you want to remove it without paying, you just do what? Tap on wash ads. Here it is. We'll just tap on wash ads. So sorry, I'm still facing this problem. Let's tap on it. You can see for me they say ad not loaded yet. That is why this is not activated. Wait a minute. You can see that it is not activated. So that's because I've been using this app. So, and also because there is presently in the app, there is no watermark there is no ad for them to share to you, for you to watch. So seeing there is no ad, I'll have to wait, and I don't have that patience to wait till when they have an ad to watch, because this is just for practical. So, but for you, there should be a watch ad activation here. So what you just do is you tap on it, and once you tap on it, it will load. And once you have watched the ad, once you have watched your ad, what you just do is you come here and export. You tap on this. The project has been saved, and then you tap on this. Ouch. I will have to re-download Benny. So you tap on, after you have tapped on the save, you tap on this share button you are seeing up there. You tap on it. This is it. Tap on this. You tap on it. They will ask you to name your movie. Let's just say I'll just name it Project 2. Project 2. And then remember, there shouldn't be space. Let's name it Project 2. And then tap on make video. Tap on make video. You tap on. You just tap on make. Once you tap on make video, it's going to load. I'm just having issues with the app, else we are done. I just really want to show you how this is done. I wonder why we're having issues with this app. Let me just name it this and then make video. And now this is what it's going to do. It's going to render. Once it is done rendering, it will be saved to your phone, and then you just go and watch what you did. I've showed you how to add sounds to it. If you feel you want to make yours beautiful, you can just go and add sounds. You can see I'm having issues with the app. So once that is done rendering, it's supposed to save, and it's supposed to appear here, and it's supposed to appear here, to appear in your gallery. It's supposed to appear in your gallery once it is done saving. The reason why mine is not appearing here is because I'm having an issue with the app presently, and I'm wondering why. Because if I just, let's just try one more time. Let's just try it one more time. Let's just try one more time. I'll just wait here. I'll just wait here. Once it is done rendering, I will enter the app for you to see. Alright, so once it shows this, say, will you like to movie save? Will you like to, what will you like to do? Tap on share movie. Okay, tap on share movie. Tap on WhatsApp. Share it to yourself. Let's see, me. Just share it to yourself. So after sharing it to yourself, you just come to your gallery, and then this is what we did. Let me play it so you can see. Can you see this? You can add sound to your own. Can you see? Every brand starts with a great idea, but without the right visuals and media, that idea can be ignored. Can you see? Each picture have to say what is happening, what the word is saying. But do well to always remove the background. So I'll be showing you where to even get your 3D pictures, because these are not 3D pictures. I was just using this to teach you. These are not 3D pictures. I will show you where to get some of them here. Like this is a 3D picture. Some of them here are not 3D pictures. I will show you where to get your 3D pictures. Sorry. So let me show you. What you just do is you come to your Chrome. Some of you may not know where I got that board from, so I'm just going to show you. For example, these are where to get your characters. 3D Illustrator character. Just tap on image. Can you see? Let's just say maybe we want a businessman. 3D illustration business character. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see their backgrounds? They are all for whiteboard animations. So let's just say you want to get that board, 3D Illustrator board. Can you see? So you just choose the one, like example. I think, where is the one I used? I picked one out of this. So you just pick anyone, preferably choose the one that has a white background. This is even beautiful. So you just choose the one of your choice. So do well to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for joining the class.